Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can bookmark all tabs on your Google Chrome. So in order to simply bookmark all the important sites, now you can open your Google Chrome. For example, I open two tabs here. So here you can tap three dots, or you can click three dots at the top corner of your screen. Now you can find a bookmark and list option, break it down, and this is bookmark this tab, Ctrl plus D, in order to bookmark one site or one tab. But if you want to bookmark all the tabs, all the sites, just simply hold Ctrl plus Shift plus D key, or just click this button. Now you can save on new folder or other bookmarks or bookmarks bar. For example, let's try the new folder 12 and save. Now as you can see, there is 12 and folder icon. It means this is your bookmark sites or tab. Just simply click it. Now you can open one by one, or if you think you want to open all of it, you can click open all in new window, incognito window, and new tab group. Or if you feel you don't need it, just simply click delete. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.